To show upcoming alarm on your always on display on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add the upcoming alarm widget to your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Next, tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget. Next, tap clock. And then tap the upcoming alarm widget to add it to the widget bar. To save the change, tap done button. To see the result, go to your always on display. First, turn off the screen. Since the always on display on this phone is set to tap to show, then single tap the screen. You can see that now your phone is displaying your upcoming alarm on the widget bar on your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.